In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete apps downloaded from Microsoft Store in Windows 11. Fix Today here, let's begin. Start by clicking the Start button, then select the Settings gear icon. Once you're inside Settings, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Apps. After that, click on Installed Apps at the top so you can see the full list of applications installed on your computer. Now go to the search bar at the top and type the name of the app you want to remove. This helps you quickly find the app, especially if you have a lot of programs installed. Once the app appears in the list, locate it and click the three dots on the far right side. From the drop-down menu, select Uninstall. A confirmation prompt will appear, so click the second uninstall button to confirm your decision. The system will begin removing the app and you'll see its status change to uninstalling. Wait for the process to complete. Once the status changes to uninstalled, the app will disappear from the list, which means it has been successfully removed from your system. To double check, you can open the Microsoft Store and search for the same app. If the button now says install or get instead of open, that confirms the app is no longer installed on your computer. If you still see the app in your Start menu, you can remove it directly from there. Just right-click the app icon in the Start menu and select Uninstall. This can help force the removal if it didn't fully disappear earlier. And that's it. You've successfully removed a Microsoft Store app from your Windows 11 system, helping keep your device clean and organized. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.